I might get canceled for this, but I love Korean food. I'm so mad because I was going to do the burrata and burrata challenge, but there's freaking mold in my burrata. And I got this from Trader Joe's. Now there was like no point of making this. Let's start out with the egg. Put some crack in there and some salt. Okay, honestly, this is not too much, so cheers. Yum. I know I'm a wuss and I got the cheese version, so I got this sauce on the side. Spicy. Milk break. Let's see if I get a cheese bowl. This is so freaking good.